Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You guys are highly welcome. For today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I made this large natural looking knotless braided wig, okay, using color 350. Looking at this wig, don't mind my dancing guys. Looking at this wig, see that it's looking so beautiful and so natural. So I'm going to guide you guys through how I managed to achieve that. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that, okay? I don't know what you are waiting for. Please subscribe. So this is the lace that we'll be using. Is a treated ventilated lace. This is a braiding hair, not weave-on, but if you're looking at it, it looks like it's human hair because I treated it. So the next thing now is to prep the lace, okay? I have to prep it, show you guys how I prep. I just show you how I prep it, then how I do it boss. For the boss, I did 28 bosses, okay, for this because I'm actually doing a large knotless braided wig. This is a kind of, let's say, continuation of the first part of this video where I showed you guys A to Z of how you can ventilate, because before you make this braided wig on a full lace, you need to ventilate first. You're not going to work with an empty lace, you need to ventilate. So the first part of this video, I'll show you guys all through from the ventilation to the treatment of the lace, okay? So this is just like a kind of let's say continuation, the second part of that particular video. So if you know, watch that particular one, go ahead and see that particular one, so you will get to see how I managed to ventilate and treat before the braiding. So I'll be using this color 350, okay? I'll be using the color of 350, but the base is black, okay? I ventilated with a black braiding hair because this is what my clients want, okay? My client wants the root to be black, and I'm not going to be adding the 350 immediately. I have to braid. This is exactly what she wants, so I'm just creating what she instructed me to do, okay? So guys, for the braiding, like I said, I bossed the boss. I did my bossing into 28 pieces, okay? So feel free, if you want a smaller boss braid, just go ahead and boss it into the amount, the number of bosses that you want, okay? So I'll just apply my hair wax so that it will be able to help me to grip the hair very tightly without having any leftover, okay? Then I try to separate the hair into three. Just watch what I'm doing guys. Separate the hair into three, then I braid, holding it very tight. I don't want the loose braid, so you have to hold it very tight so that your braid will not be loose, okay? Holding it very tight, and I braid to some points before adding the color 350 extension. So just watch closely, you see how I add and how I braid and how I try to cover the color one so it will not be visible, okay? So guys, if you know that you're finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? So I add my braiding hair, okay, and I try to cover the color one, okay? You have to do this so that it will not be visible. Let it just be the beginning that the black color one will be showing. I did it this way because this is what my clients want. She doesn't want the color 350 to start from the root, okay? She just wants the roots at the beginning of the hair, the braiding, to be black, while color 350 comes later. Just what I'm doing guys. Just follow me through to this video so you will get to see how I do everything, okay? Like I said, this is the second part of the first video, okay? In the first part, I have to kind of divide the video into two because it's going to be so long if I don't make it in two parts, okay? The first part is where I showed you guys how you can ventilate the full lace, okay? From A to Z, I showed everything very detailed guys. I did not skip any parts. I showed everything very detailed, okay? So just go ahead and watch that part, how I ventilate from A to Z, then how I treated the lace. So this is the second part of this video, which is now the braiding aspect of it. Okay. So guys, I go in with my hair wax. I'm applying this hair wax so that I will be able to grip every hair without leaving anything behind. Okay, and make sure that your lines are very clear. Okay, you need to have a very clear, realistic line. So guys, looking at this braiding hair, I mean the one I ventilated with, the ventilated lace, you'll be thinking it's hair because it's very soft, guys. Trust me, it's very soft. You won't even know that it's a braiding hair, not human hair, because I treated first. Okay, so if you want to know how I did that, please watch the first part of this video, so you will see how I did everything, how I treat and how I did the ventilation. Okay. If you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question or you want me to do video on anything you are still finding it difficult, either ventilation or braiding, let me know in the comment section. Okay, ask your question, I will attend to them. And guys, please, if you want me to make this type of wig or any kind of braided wig, or any kind of, you want me to do closures, frontals for you, both bulk orders are welcome in retail or wholesale prices, please let me know in the comment section, or you can check the description of this video to have my WhatsApp or Telegram username so that you can hit me up. Okay. So guys, this is the easiest way you can do your knotless braided wig. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. Either you are making it on someone's hair or you are making a wig. Okay, this is the easiest way to do your knotless braid. Okay, I'm trying to cover, make sure you cover the black color, which is the color 1. Okay, so I will keep adding till I get to my desired length. The wig is 14 inches. Okay, it's 14 inches length, so I will keep adding till I get to the desired length. So like I said guys, this is the simplest way, the easiest way you can do your knotless braided braids. Okay, whether wig or you want to try it on someone's hair. Okay, if you know you are finding any value from this video, please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Give this bell a thumbs up. The reason why you should turn on the notification bell is that anytime I drop videos, new videos like this, YouTube will notify you. Okay, give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share this video. A lot of people out there might be looking for the third video like this, maybe a friend or a family member. Please share, leave a comment down below. If you have any question or you're confused, please let me know in the comment section. I'll attend to them. So I braid with the black extension, which is the one I ventilated with. I braid to a point before adding the color 350. While adding, I try to cover the color 1. Okay, I try to cover the color 1 braiding hair. So guys, just watch what I'm doing. Okay, you will be able to grab what I'm doing. Just like I said, this is the second part of this video. If you know you don't know how to ventilate at all, I have a video on. So if you know you don't know how to ventilate at all, don't worry, I have a video on that on my channel. I'll still leave the link of that particular video in the description of this one. Okay, For the ventilation, like I said in the first part of this video, I use the one line one hole vertical horizontal pattern of ventilation. If you don't understand what I mean by this, I still have a video on that, so feel free to check it out. I'll still leave the link to those particular video in this one. Okay, like I said guys, this is the second part of this video. Feel free to go through my channel. It should be the last video before this one. Okay, I'll still leave the link of the part 1 of that video in the description of this particular one, so you see how I get to this point. Okay, this one is just the braiding aspect. The ventilation aspect, I've already dropped a video on that. Please go ahead and see it so that you be able to grab everything. Please subscribe if you know you found any value from this video. Please subscribe, give this a thumbs up, okay, and leave a comment down below, either a question or a word of encouragement. Okay, I will appreciate that. So I'll try to separate the hair into 3. Okay, then I'll go ahead and braid, making sure I'm gripping the hair very tight. Okay, make sure the hair is you grip the hair very tight, and then I'll braid. I braid to some point before adding the color 350. Guys, this is simply what I have been doing. Okay, I just have to repeat this so that you guys can see clearly how I achieved the braided wig, guys. And it's also important to treat your hair, treat your ventilated lace. If you are working with braiding extension, if you ventilate with a braiding extension, it's important you treat it first before braiding. Okay, so that your wig will come out looking so natural. Okay, natural and very realistic. Just look at this braid, guys. Look at how the root is looking soft. Okay, please guys, if you know that you found any value from this video, at this point you should hit the subscribe button. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Like I said, this is the second part of this video. Feel free to go through the first part so you see how I ventilated the full lace, okay, and how I treated the lace first before braiding. So guys, I continue adding the 350 braiding hair till I get to my desired length. Like I said, it's a 40 inches length. The wig is 40 inches, so I continue adding till I get to my desired length. Okay, so guys, when I'm done with the whole braiding, the next thing I did was just to trim the hair, to trim the fly off, and then I applied the hot water, okay, by soaking it in hot water. And after everything, this is the final product, guys. Look at this, looking so beautiful and so realistic. So this is just simply a detailed video on how I achieved this. Okay, if you know you found any value, please subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Okay.